I've become a very good cook.
Oh,
In the
that is
past 3 months,
yeah.
in the past 3 months, Canada has taught me to cook because I don't have any of my man Fridays with me. I've stopped eating food actually. मैं
Why?
ना खाना मैंने बंद कर दिया. रोटी चावल मतलब सालों साल हो गए मैंने खाया नहीं है. My mom always wanted me to be a doctor. I could not be one, so I played one. I make delicious salads, like salads that are wholesome, not
Yeah.
just kakadi tomato, like
Yeah.
how we have Indian style.
Yeah.
Salad. I remember when we were small, salad मतलब काकड़ी टमाटर एक मिर्ची और नींबू. I would have all the powers of Superman and remove crime from this planet.
Best. Best. So I have a small segment that I want to do with you, which is called quick.
Yay! I love segments. Yeah.
Okay, I don't know if that was sarcastic or you actually meant it. Okay. But this
I
is,
do.
I'm pretty sure that this one you're gonna have fun. This is a very small segment called Quick 10 with Karanveer Bora. I'm gonna ask you very random questions about yourself so that the people also get to know a little more about you. So these are
Okay.
completely very, random questions about you, your journey, and stuff like that. Okay. According to you, what is the best thing about being an actor?
Playing different roles. My mom always wanted me to be a doctor. I could not be one, so I played one.
Nothing beats that. Without the vigorous training and studying and all of that, you can just become a doctor. Yeah, nice. Okay. And like every coin has a flip side, what is the worst thing or like something that you don't like about the fact that you're an actor?
That I don't like that I'm about an actor. There's nothing that I don't like. I love everything about acting, man. Yeah. When I'm not acting, I don't like that I'm not acting.
Acha, okay. I'll take that for an answer. What is the one thing that no one knows about you? Or a lesser known fact about you?
Yeah, if I tell that one thing that nobody knows, then that'll be the one thing that everybody knows. A lesser known fact is that I love being a father.
I think
I
that's
love it.
quite
I just,
evident. That is quite evident. That's not a lesser known fact.
okay, fine. I've become a very good cook.
Oh,
In the
that is
past 3 months,
Yeah.
in the past 3 months, Canada has taught me to cook because I don't have any of my man Fridays with me. I'm the man every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So I'm that man Friday for my wife, for my kids. So I
how
cook, I
lovely.
clean, I wash, everything I do.
Nice,
Yeah.
okay. And what is the one thing that you like to cook?
Salads. I make delicious salads, like salads that are wholesome, not
Yeah.
just kakadi tomato, like
Yeah.
how we have Indian style.
Yeah.
Salad. I remember when we were small, salad मतलब काकड़ी टमाटर एक मिर्ची और नींबू
Yeah.
और उसको
No,
हम सलाद बोलते थे सलाद.
yeah, but this we're talking about lettuce and cherry tomatoes and all of those, right?
All that and then like make it a little heavy. Put some beans, put some avocados, put some fruit. Sometimes it really it's so wholesome. I can't get enough of it.
Yeah. Okay. Your all-time favorite cuisine since we're talking about food.
All-time favorite, honestly, it is Indian because recently at teachers' friends' house, I've stopped eating food actually.
Why?
मैं ना खाना मैंने बंद कर दिया. रोटी चावल मतलब सालों साल हो गए मैंने खाया नहीं है. Recently at teacher's friend's house, we were shooting for some photo shoot and then we were at her house. Her mother-in-law and they made Indian food. They made saag. They made और मुझे वो ना वो कड़क रोटी आखिरी रोटी जिसे बोलते हैं ना एकदम तवे पर और फिर उसके बाद आग के ऊपर आप करके फिर उसको क्रश करते हो थोड़ा घी लगाकर bhindi ki sabzi I had, and literally I had around 8-10 rotis I had. But I said nothing better than this food ever. I mean, I love every cuisine. I mean, I've tried everything, but Indian cuisine is Indian cuisine.
I agree with you. And especially now that you're outside, I'm pretty sure that that is one thing that you also get to, live the importance of, especially when you're
Absolutely,
you just realize
absolutely.
how amazing the food is. Okay, a place that you would want to visit next.
My country back again. I want to come back to India. That's the visit. That's the place I want to visit right now.
You're the first
3 months I've been in Canada.
You're the first person who's saying this because everybody else is like, we want to get out.
I know everybody's saying, you're so lucky you went at the right time. You're so lucky. Stay there, stay there. Don't come back. Don't come back.
And here is this man wanting to come back.
Wanting to come back. Imagine, dekho.
Okay, your all-time favorite film. You have one film that in particular that you really like watching over and over again.
Andaz Apna Apna.
Of course. Is that even a
That's in Hindi, and in English, Matrix. Imagine, both are poles apart. Huh?
Yeah. Okay, your all-time favorite TV show. Do you have a TV show that you really like watching, especially right now that we're watching so much of OTT content?
2.5 Men, then Family Feud, Friends.
Of course.
Yeah.
Okay. If you could meet a person from the past, maybe somebody from history or somebody who's not there with us anymore, who would it be?
Actually, recently only I thought about it, and really it would be so crazy to meet that person, just sit with him and just discuss what goes in his head when he makes these kind of movies. There's not just one, there are two of them. One is Stanley Kubrick and Alfred Hitchcock. Because how are they so warped, and how do they think? What is it that goes in their mind? We were just talking the other day when I think Tom, the last movie that Stanley Kubrick and had made, and he passed away in the middle of the movie only, with Tom Cruise and Nicole Kidman. I was just wondering what they must have thought when they must have been acting with this kind of a director. So that really made me think. I mean, that's the first thing that comes to my mind, is that I would want to meet them and see. Yeah.
Okay. What if you had a superpower? What superpower would you want to have?
You can have only one, or you can have multiple.
Multiple le lo aap. What can you think of? Like, what comes on top of your head?
I would have all the powers of Superman and remove crime from this planet.
Best. Things seems to be really good for you on the professional front. Your film Qutub Minar has won the honorable mention at the Berlin Indie Film Festival this year. How does it feel?
It is really unbelievable. Never expected. Because you're so used to doing your shows and movies and theater in your country that you don't think that your movie will go and be applauded in a Western country and a Western festival which is so sought after.
Yeah.
So when we got the mail, we ourselves felt that झूठ बोल रहे हैं, मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं, मतलब it is not true, कहीं गलत फिल्म का हमें मिल गया होगा, check कर वापस. It was that unbelievable, really. So, but really, it's God's blessings, and there are because it's the first time a film of ours has got such recognition worldwide, besides India. And I sent it to so many of my friends, my colleagues, my producers, people who I know in channel. Everybody replied saying congratulations, it's such a big feat, because it was not just my victory, it was not just my recognition. I think it was like any movie that is reviewed or applauded outside India, I think it's a big feat for the entire country.
Yeah.
Like, I feel very proud when somebody else's movie is applauded outside India or any other festival or anywhere, because you feel that wow, they're looking at us.
Yeah.
You know, they're liking our kind of cinema.
Right.
We are making something good. You know, so that's what.
It is a very pride wala moment. And I remember when I saw this on your on your feed also on Instagram, I was like, okay, what is this film? What is it all about? I tried to look it up online. I couldn't really find anything about it much.
So we didn't even release it anywhere. We just made it. We just finished, and because it was pandemic, we were waiting. कि यार देखते हैं कि how would things go and all. We were like talking to a few people, but I said, you know, it's Mane, let's just send it to festivals. We sent it on 15-20 festivals, and this was the first festival that had seen it. अभी तो बाकी के और भी बाकी है, तो just keeping our fingers crossed for the other festivals.
I think that is all the time we had, Karan, sadly. It was so nice speaking to you. You seem to be very happy that the interview is coming to an end.
I also was happy that yay segment.
Yeah. काफी समझ रही मैं आपके years जो थे ना. I actually got it. I've been watching it for a very long time. Okay, so okay, but I again want to congratulate you on Qutub Minar, which I hope that we get to see.
Thank you.
And
absolutely.
And also all the best for everything else that might be seeing you in. Hopefully you come back soon and we get to chat again.
Sure.
Thank you so much, Karan. Take care.
Okay, Shweta. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.